Divorce. Help for kids. Supporting social adjustment after separation. Learn key tips and resources to help children socially adjust after divorce, with expert advice on counseling and support for families during tough times. Helping kids find their feet after divorce. Hey, so I wanted to chat about something really important that I think doesn't get talked about enough. How kids adjust socially when their parents go through a divorce. Divorce itself is tough, right? But when kids are involved, their whole world can feel shaken, and the way they connect with friends, family, and even school can change quite a bit. Now, if you ever find yourself in that spot, or just want to understand it better, it's good to know that there's divorce help out there designed specifically for children's social adjustment. Let's break this down a little. Why social adjustment matters. When parents split, kids might feel torn between homes, unsure about where they fit in, or even isolated if they're embarrassed or confused about the changes. Maintaining strong social ties is key for their emotional health. What challenges they face. Things like anxiety about friends choosing sides, disrupted routines making it hard to keep up with social activities, or just feeling emotionally overwhelmed so they pull back from socializing. How support makes a difference. Divorce counseling tailored for kids can help them express these feelings, build coping mechanisms, and encourage positive relationships outside the family. One of the best things parents and caregivers can do is tap into divorce resources that include not just individual counseling, but also divorce support groups for kids. It's amazing how powerful it can be for a child to hang out with other kids who get it and realize they're not alone in feeling a little lost or unsure. Imagine a place where kids learn skills like how to manage conflicting emotions without shutting down, communicating their needs clearly to parents and friends, developing routines that help them feel grounded, building new friendships or strengthening existing ones despite the family changes. All of this contributes to better social adjustment, and that leads to greater overall wellness for the child. Sometimes, parents might not even realize how much their own struggles affect their kids, to the point where kids mirror the stress or pull away. That's why divorce counseling for the whole family can be a game changer. It's not about erasing the pain, but guiding everyone toward healthier ways to cope. If you're looking for more details or personal stories about recovering and moving forward after divorce, the book Brokenness and New Beginnings is a fantastic resource. It offers hope, healing, and honest insights that anyone facing divorce, especially with kids involved, can benefit from. Order your copy today to find hope and healing. It's the kind of support that can really help turn a hard time into a new chapter full of potential. And remember, if you or someone you know is navigating divorce, you're not alone. There's divorce assistance, divorce advice, and plenty of support networks ready to help both adults and kids build brighter futures. It's all about taking those first steps, sometimes small, and creating a space where kids can thrive socially, emotionally, and beyond. Because at the end of the day, the goal is to support them in finding their balance and happiness again, even when life feels changed forever.